Hi guys, I don't know why we're starting this video in the bathroom, but we are, so just, my friend is here. Alright, shout out to, her, because she's here. That's my friend Billy. She has a channel. Okay. Just search up Romina Rodriguez. You should see it. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but whatever. No matter. Okay, anyways. She's almost at 100 subs. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, that was. I'm gonna be showing you how to 5 easy ways to earn money in Roayl. Sorry about that. Like the noises. There's like my chair is making weird noises. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. If you saw my last videos, you saw that how I made this. So make sure to go watch that video because why not? Okay, so there's actually very many ways in my life to get money quickly. So the first way is to sleep, because if you when you level up and stuff, why is this pink? Gotta fix this. This is not okay. Excuse me, okay, just go. Okay. There we go. No, I don't like that. Okay, really sorry guys. I like doing this. Okay, that's better. That should be better. She's just gonna stand there for a bit. Alright, so also, next week's shout out, I'm giving 2 shout outs this time because I can. So the first way to get money really quickly is to level up. So as you can see, I'm level 100 right now. And if I go to the bed and I just sleep for a bit, if you you can just sleep for see it, my thing's not all the way down, but if you do, it's really easy. And then if you're like this, you could just super quickly. So you can just wait for this, and then once it goes up all the way, you can get money very quickly. Yeah. It's also a really good way to get money and level up at the same time. This is a very good way, and this is also very easy way to level up. This is very easy way to level up, but it doesn't go that far, but it does work. But you just gotta wait a bit. Okay guys, so the next one is to go to what's it called? To go to the school. It's best to get private servers, but since I don't have enough Robux right now, I'm not going to, but that's okay. But if you do have enough Robux to get a private server, that's probably for the best. And I just recommend it better. So yeah. So let's go to the school. Let's go to the school. It's 10 o'clock there. So you can do either one, but of these classes, they go by quicker. The old one goes by quicker. So if you do the old version quicker, it just that. And the reason why it's better to get a private server, so you don't have to wait for everyone to finish the class. Because if it's just you, then you can just go quickly. Alright, so now we're arriving at the school. Hopefully this video doesn't get too long because I have a really long video there's going to be an edit. My friend Diamond XD has made me something that I really like. It's very nice. She's a very good girl. Oh, okay. I don't care. So let's just let load in. Okay. So it's really easy to get classes here because it just goes pretty quickly, and the lockers are closer to the entrance. So it's better. Because most of the things and actually that's good. That's my password I use every time. Don't tell anyone. So what I do, and you can just like grab all your books. This is what I do. Just grab all your books, and then when you want to go to a class but you don't have enough time to run back to your locker, you could just get them like here, and it's perfect for the. So let's just fly. Why did I put these wings on? I don't like these. I bought them and thinking I was like them, but I don't like them, so. Alright, so like if you just wait in like your dorms and stuff for like classes, it's really like easy to do classes because it's really, really faster than the new campus, so it's way better to come here instead because it's just better. And also, thank you for Diamond XD for teaching me how you can make the animations move super fast. Like, if I go. So I know you guys probably don't want to see this, but I'm still gonna do it because I don't care. You guys, it's really easy to like get diamonds and stuff. So if you're watching this video and you really want diamonds and stuff, then you should probably go watch someone who's actually a pro at this because I'm not a pro. I'm a noob, but that's okay. Yeah, we're just waiting for classes because like I'm gonna show you this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what a star! Meow. It's basically just to do it. But anyways. Oh my gosh, I forgot to change the animations again. If you guys really want, maybe I could do like maybe like I could do some sort of like random stuff in Royal High. Maybe you could give me dares and I could do it in Royal High and stuff. Yeah, actually, comment down below right now some dares right now. Comment right now. If you don't, we won't be friends anymore. Okay, if Diamond came here, she would literally crush me, but like that's okay because I'm level 100 Roman. Friend me on Roblox if you have Roblox. I know I haven't been posting like that many videos lately. It's because I have no ideas, but like that's okay. Because over the time that I was taking my break, my mini break, I brainstormed some really big ideas. So I'm working on a Gotcha Like mini movie right now. So just stay tuned for that and stuff. And okay, I think I'm just gonna pause the video and then we'll start off when there's a class. Okay, so now it's morning. So what's going to like the next thing is pretty simple. It's like stuff. Just kind of bring this under. Let's do stuff. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it on speed. Okay, we're just gonna stop. Okay, so basically the next thing is like after you attend classes and stuff. So like we can attend classes. There's really simple. The most popular way. Well, not the most popular, but like here's my way of doing Sunset Island. So if you just teleport to Sunset Island, just teleport there. And sorry, I messed up. So the classes go by slower here, and they go faster in the new Royal High. So make sure to go to the new one because I messed that up. This dang script is stupid. Okay, whatever. I don't really have a script, but like I just think of it in my head, and now make totally a script. So another way to do this is, I actually learned a lot of times by doing this. So it's a really simple way. If you don't want to, like, if you're really lazy that day and you're just like, oh, I need money in Royal High, but I'm just like too lazy. Here's a way I will show you what to do. So just go up and just sign up. But instead of actually put the actual name in, put in, so just do Miss or Mr. And then don't do this, don't do that, don't do any of these. Delete that, and just do this. Just do like something like this, or like, yeah, just anything like that. And I've actually won a lot of times like this. And you just stay still, watch some YouTube, and especially my videos and my friends' videos, of course. Just do that, and then it's super easy because you could just sit back and relax while other people might vote for you and stuff like that, while you just sit back on this hammock and do nothing and slowly earn money. So, which is really cool because like earning money is pretty like hard at Sunset Island because it takes like 10 minutes. It takes like a good 13 minutes for each like part, but like yeah. Alright, next. The next one is Fountain of Dreams. You can get a lot of diamonds there, so just search up the way to get the best answers for diamonds. And if you really want a halo, and you can sell that halo, or you can go to the Intergalactic Trading Hub and sell stuff. So if I wanted to, I could go to the Intergalactic Trading Hub, and I could just sell like a bunch of random stuff. I could go in here, and I could sell all my stuff right now if I wanted to, but I'm too lazy for that, so I'm not going to. You could just sell a bunch of stuff, and you would get money really easily that way. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you're watching this video. And if you made it through the whole video, I want you to comment down below I finished it, if you watched through the whole video. And yeah, so if you did watch through the whole video, then thanks for watching the video, and I would love to see you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.